Have you ever wondered what your dog is really thinking? Dogs communicate through their behavior. Understanding this can enhance your bond. Let's explore some key behaviors and their meanings. First, tail wagging. A wagging tail shows happiness or excitement. Next, barking. Dogs bark for various reasons, like alerting or playing. Look for signs of anxiety. Whining or excessive panting can indicate stress. The body language is also crucial. A relaxed dog shows a loose posture. For more clarity, observe their eyes. Soft eyes mean comfort, while wide eyes may signal fear. By interpreting these behaviors, you improve your relationship. Remember, understanding your pet's actions leads to a happier home. Want to learn more tips? Subscribe for more insights on dog care.